Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. All right, I'm back, guys. As you can see, I am back with Heal. Okay. Before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor. Click that notification bell. Click that subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos. Okay. All right, guys, I'm back with Heal. I want to show you real quick. As you can see, they really move very quickly. I haven't even been in the program a week yet. Okay. I ordered this shirt the same night I joined, which was like late Sunday night, like 11, 12, midnight, something like that. Okay. And today it is here within 4 days. Okay. So nice shirt. It fits very nice and it feels very good. So it comes in this little packet here, okay? And check this out. It comes with these little stickies. I am. And it has on it, I am worthy, I am love, I am humble, I am healthy, I am hope, I am courageous, I am strong, I am happy, I am wealthy. It's little stickers, which is pretty cool. Can you see that? So you basically can peel them off like that. Okay, you just stick them on whatever, your laptop, whatever. So the company acts very fast. Okay, they're action takers. So am I. I told you when I got in, I was all in, right? So yeah, so got my shirt. So with that being said, let's jump in and let's go over Heal itself. And I want to show you this program it's about, guys, not just making money. That's what I like about it. It encompasses your health, your wealth, okay? Everything that goes into your being, okay? You're not just a making money machine or a motivated person about making money, right? Your whole being encompasses your health, your spirit, motivation, your wealth, love, happiness, family, fun, okay? All that ties in together. So they put all this under one umbrella so that you can be compensated for all of that. So they have physical products, they have digital products, all the training, the marketing system, everything is included. Matter of fact, this is one of the pages I'm on. Let me just scroll down, okay, and let you check it out. One of the sales pages. This builds fast, this is simple, and this is big. Okay, so let's scroll down a little bit. Real people, real results. And here's, lots of testimonies from people. And as I mentioned to you before, let me adjust this screen. Hang on a second. Okay, we're back. Okay, so I'm showing you this page. I'm just going to go down. This is a sales page that you're going to have. I had to adjust my screen. Okay, nice page. The colors are awesome. I like the colors. Again, to me, it gives off energy. Look at the debit card, okay, that we're going to have here. The Visa debit card. Right now, they're doing pay quicker, but they're going to add this as an option. If you'd like to get the debit card, all your commissions can go on there. And by the way, Heal pays every Friday. And I believe I will be receiving my first commission this Friday. Let's go down further. They're mentioning that this is a copy and paste marketing system, which is true. Everything is included, guys. You don't have to worry about looking for a third party, autoresponder or any of that. They have everything included, and it's instant access, no setup required. Everything is automatically set up. All you need to do is go in there and start sharing your capture page links, okay? Professional opportunity funnels, tons of impactful social media assets. So there's a lot that's included with this, okay? So again, this is just one of the pages, as you can see, and it points to activate my position. You see that several times on here because it wants to capture people's attention, okay? So this is not just a physical, when you say the word heal, let's be clear on that. Let me do some clarifications. It's not about also healing, say if you have an ailment. You can need healing spiritually, motivational healing, healing in your bank account. Let's heal your finances. Okay. So it's a lot that it encompasses. Okay. Heal your happiness, heal your family, heal your fun. So it's all tied together. Okay. Because a lot of people looking at, oh, I don't want to promote a physical product. I don't want to promote any lotions and potions. It's not just, that's just one aspect. They have a physical product, but not just that, guys. This shirt is a product. This is a physical product. And my sponsor is making a commission because I bought this shirt. So everything that they have in the back office when people buy from your link, the physical, the digital, you get paid on that. The live events as they come on board, you're going to get paid on that. So it's not about pushing lotions and potions. It's a whole system that encompasses all of that. Okay. That's why I like it, because it's different than anything else that I'm a part of and that I've seen out here online. Because as you know, even most companies, MLM companies that promote just products, they have no idea about marketing. Their way of marketing is belly to belly, bugging your friends and family, going through your phone, sitting down, writing 100 people down, and then meeting at a hotel and having somebody go on the stage and present the opportunity. Okay. That's how they do it. This is totally different. Okay. Because trust me, I haven't even been interested in promoting a product like anything physical because of the MLM platform, the model, the business model. This right here is what got my wheels turning, because it's everything under one umbrella. Okay. And I love digital products, so it encompasses all of that. So let's go over there and let me show you those digital products. But I want to show you this page because this is what you're going to get too. Okay. So you're able to promote this. These sales pages are really nice, guys. And the capture pages. So let's go look at those products. Hang on. Okay, we're in the back office, and like I said, you're getting these commissions that's coming in, micro commissions and commissions that people, when they sign up for the VIP, which is the first thing you want to do, you want to be a VIP. That's $49.95 a month. Okay, that is the signature product. So as you can see right here, I am all in. This is the VIP suitcase. This is what's going to allow you to get residual income. But it has a lot of training in there. And then there's Facebook groups for each product. He's going to integrate all that. But right now, he has Big Profile Profits, which is a Facebook course to teach you how to market on Facebook. And then he has I Am Heal, the 21-day challenge for health and fitness. Okay. And all these include separate training that you're going to get. Okay. So this is a deal, guys. I'm here to tell you, especially again for my new people that's never made a dime online, you're going to be making these commissions without even doing anything initially. Okay. 10 levels down. Okay. So that is an incentive for you to get started. All right. And I'm going to show you some proof of some people getting some commissions. But I want to show you, this is the back office. I'm logged in. This is the Heal story, which is very inspirational, very motivating to see Steve Munson's journey and where he was and where he is today. The physical products. I'm on my way to getting that next. This one right here, I'm going to be getting this personally. I'm going to show you that real quick. Are you sick of being sick? You want to boost your immune system, guys. TH+, that's the one I'm getting. Okay. And it's plant-based. Okay, I am big in my life off this screen on plant-based and organic products. Okay, so for me, this is right up my alley. It's all in one, everything that I need right here under one roof. Not to mention, I'm still doing my other programs, guys. Don't get it confused. This is just an additional, okay, income stream, and I just want to show you the benefits of this. Okay, so let's go further. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, so that was the physical products, guys, right? The shirts and the product here. Okay, the plant-based product. Now we have a marketing system right here: capture pages, sales pages, physical physical products. We just went over that: banners, videos, swipe copy. Okay, so everything you need is here. Okay, you got that. Now let's go down further, and there we go. The signature product is the Heal VIP product. That's the $49.95 a month. Okay, so when you go there, that's the suitcase coach. Look at all the value you're getting in here. All these videos. Okay, you have the VIP health, VIP health, food, fitness, motivation. All these are things that you need in your business anyway. When you're in business, it takes a great mindset, right? Before you even get in business, you got to get your mind right, okay? And to know that, believe in what you're doing. It's all about the mind first, okay? And then you need to be motivated, okay? And then you want to build a business. They teach you that. Then you have personal growth, okay? Then you have a community, the Heal community. And then it goes into more nutrition, education, okay? Things you need anyway, okay? He's going to be adding more, like right here. Here's a perfect one. Personal growth. There is Les Brown talking, okay? So a lot of good content is in here. And it looks great. Look at the colors of this. This is just, like I said, this is not your normal affiliate program where you just throw some type of digital education in the back there that was 4 or 5 years old or 10 years old, or ebook. This is real life videos that was recorded. Okay, so that's one. And again, we have Facebook group for this. We have the Big Profile Profits. That's the other course that I purchased. Okay, and that's the Facebook course. It teaches you how to market on Facebook, and he has a whole lot of training on this one. Okay, then the I Am Challenge is the other product. So you have the Heal product, you have the Big Profile Profit product, and then you have I Am Challenge. So that's your 3 digital products. Okay, then you have the physical products, okay, which is the apparel, and then the actual capsules, the plant-based capsules. So all of this stuff you're going to get paid on when someone joins your team. And then when people join your team, let's say someone joins your team and they only purchase the Heal product. They didn't purchase the other 2 products. And if you're all in, you're going to get that commission is going to pass up. Okay? Because I'm all in. Okay? So if you come in here and just get the content, and you don't go all in, okay, you're going to get your monthly residual. But if you don't get these other 2 products, that's more commissions. That's why I have on my dashboard where I missed commissions. I lost commissions, okay? So again, this is a great way to build. This is a sustainable business. This is not your just cookie cutter, make $100 per sale, make $200 per sale type of business. This is a long-term sustainable business. If you're looking for the long haul, you want a business you can be proud of, this would be it. Long term, physical products and digital products all under one roof with a great community. Okay, all of that is in here. Now let me show you some other proof. Hang on. Okay, real quick, here are some people that's saying that they made commissions in 24 hours. They earned, and they didn't even do anything, guys. This is what I'm talking about. I just got a quick commission. Look at this. I haven't started advertising yet. This is going to be huge. This is the post from other people. Okay, I received $33 from people that are not in my team and I didn't sponsor. That's what I'm saying about this. These commissions are insane. Okay, so I highly recommend you get in it. I'm going to put the link below to get started with me and Heal. We've got some great bonuses for you as well, guys. But if you're looking for the A to Z program to promote affiliate marketing, this is a great program to get started, because you've got to heal whatever it is, whether it's your mindset, your physical, you got to heal. So this is the way to go. So I'm going to put the link below. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification.